Boeing, which is our call of the day. We're going to do it now. I mean, the headline from UBS, and they take the price target to $5.15. And they say the headline, Boeing eats the world. We see 50% potential upside. What do we think of this call?
Well, I think reading the note, what's fascinating about it is just the potential for the aftermarket services contract and that business to grow over the next 5 to 10 years. I don't think people have properly measured the impact that could have, understanding the commercial component, as they talk about with Boeing in this note, is 60% of their overall business. So that aftermarket services contract, when you're talking about a $50 billion component of Boeing, it's very reasonable to expect this company, if you remove the trade irritant, which clearly they seem to be one of the poster childs for that, if you remove that, this is a company that, 500 is a reasonable number.
Boeing and Caterpillar, Judge. If it's bad news about tariffs and trade, you sell both. If it's good news, you buy both. And I bought calls in Boeing today. Knock on wood, that worked out already. I traded the stock of Caterpillar today, still in that. I like the way these things react and how quickly they move when you get any kind of positive trade talk at all, or relaxation of the tariff fears.
You have a favorite, Yana, industrial stock?
We have a lot, actually. We actually own Raytheon as sort of view of aerospace and defense industry being a growth industry again. And even waste management names have been doing really well, sort of a pseudo-industrial that is benefiting in good times and in bad.
Do you think that what the president did with NATO will actually spur increased defense spending?
It's a good question. I don't know. But obviously, his moves to date have definitely signaled the importance of our safety in this country's continued allocation to defense.
At what point does a General Electric look attractive to a portfolio manager? Not yet, clearly?
Yes.
Have you owned it?
No.
I agree. I mean, we used to own it. We owned it
Yeah.
last year and got out of it. I just think there are too many, I think you made this point, the shelf space, right? There are too many other opportunities, especially in the industrial sector.
Sure, but at some point, isn't this a name that you're going to look at?
I'd rather own the debt than the equity, quite frankly. I think the company will be fine. They'll be able to pay the bills. I just don't see the stock being attractive for a long time.